Control, Falcon Flight airborne, proceeding to assigned patrol sector, estimating on station in 40 minutes. Falcon Flight, control copies, skies are clear, standard rules of engagement in effect, check in at waypoint Alpha.
Falcon Flight, Wilco.
Falcon lead, checking fuel state. We're 20 mics from the turn point.
Copy. Fuel is green, sky is clear.
Sector looks clean from back here. Copy. 30 minutes to turn point. Keep watching that northern quadrant. Eyes on it. Falcon lead Sav, got a search radar, 3 o'clock. Could be acquisition, keep it tight. I see it, might be tracking only. Stay on course.
Falcon lead, that radar is still intermittent. Could be SAM acquisition cell. Recommend we stay defensive.
Agreed.
Flares ready. Eyes sharp. If that lock comes back, we break immediately. Copy. Watching it.
Spike 2 Smart. 3 o'clock's down. It's a lock. Break. Right at now. Flares away, Tay. Missile tracking flares, Nate. It's going for them, Tay. Miss. It's a miss. Flares worked. Stay defensive. There could be a second one. Keep those flares ready.
Second missile in the air, lock is solid, it's not breaking off. Flares, all flares, break left. It's not following, it's guiding, it's still coming.
Break right, mate, break right. Flares away, man, it's still tracking, mate.
I'm hit, Tay. Losing hydraulics, Tay. Eject.
Everything goes blank for a second. The air hits you like a brick wall.
Falcon lead, Falcon 2 is down. Missile hit, I watched him eject. I have battle damage returning to base.
Falcon lead, control copies. What are Falcon 2's last known?
Falcon lead.
Falcon lead, do you copy? Falcon lead, come in. Nothing.
Get off the skyline.
Move. Don't stop moving.
2 American pilots ejected over Sector 7, both confirmed. Landing zones 15 kilometers apart.
Begin the search immediately.
Iranian air defense forces have successfully engaged and destroyed an American F-15 combat aircraft operating illegally in Iranian airspace.
We have 2 beacons, Claire. They're fading. Get a drone over those coordinates right now.
Second beacon strong gray, he's in open ground. First beacon intermittent, he's in the mountains.
We have both pilots located. Falcon lead is down in the Valley Plum. Local search and rescue has eyes on him. Extraction is straightforward.
And Falcon 2?
Don't move. Rock above you is cold. It's masking your heat. Don't move.
I have a trace. Faint, but it's there.
Confirmed. Get a lock on that frequency.
Ramp up 2! We're gone!
Higher ground. Radio needs line of sight. Keep moving. Sun's coming. Stay visible to the sky. Not to them. Don't close your eyes. You sleep. You're done. I'm coming home. Stay awake. بالاتر برو. هر شکاف را چک کن. چشم.
صداشو شنیدی؟
نه فکر کنم باد بود. بریم جلوتر.
$30. Still there.
Controller, encoded signal. High Ridge sector. Authentication confirmed. It's Falcon 2.
Get SAR moving, now.
Any asset. Falcon 2-1 on the ridge. Do you copy? Falcon 2-1, we have you. Stay put.
Copy that.
Everyone's going for one man.
Got you, sir.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Still here. استشتا من دا شاقیانا